Welcome to WGP Talk. Today we are taking a look at a video from the Battery Factory in Shenzhen. We are going to look at why the premium evolved batteries are so reliable. First, the lithium core enters production with a test by the assembly machine to check the core, ensuring correct capacity and voltage. Second, the excess leads are trimmed and the battery is tested again. Next, the power management board is installed and the battery tested again. Then, the flex cable is installed and the battery is tested again to ensure proper capacities. Next, the protective cover is installed and information is printed on the battery. Then a laser check is done to verify that all the information has been printed correctly. And finally, the battery test is done by a QC person, ensuring the quality of the battery and the capacity are to our expectations. Then finally, the batteries are packaged with adhesive and boxed to ensure quality protection. Look for more videos on WGP Talk. If you have a topic you would like for us to talk about, comment below. Thank you for joining us here on WGP Talk.